Day 27, and today we want to continue from where we stopped yesterday. We want to build this workflow whereby we want to create Instagram content, the text and the message using our agents, and it should be posted automatically on Instagram for us. So that's what we are going to be doing today. So the first node I'm using here is the on form submission. You can as well use any other trigger. It could be via Telegram when you say something on Telegram, or when you type inside Telegram, then your workflow should start and then the content be generated and posted on Instagram for you. But in my own case, I'm using on form submission, and I gave the form name Instagram post, and the elements are just two: topic and of course target audience. So if I execute that, it should bring up the form, and then I'll be able to type my topic and of course the target audience. So let's say electric vehicle impacts on crude oil. Okay, and then I say professionals. That's all. Then I submit. So that is the first node. I want to type my topic in the on form submission, and then from there send into the Instagram agents. This is AI agent. So add AI agent node. So our AI agent node, this is how you configure it. The source of for prompt will be defined below. You select define below here. And then here I put topic of the post column, and then you drag the topic here. The second thing is the target audience of my post, and you drag the target audience here. That's what I put there. Then the system message, this is to tell the agent what the agent should do. So I'm saying the agent is specialized in writing professional, engaging Instagram posts. I've shared this with you before. Let me even say this out here. This is the LinkedIn workflow we created. So this is what we created earlier. I am just modifying it for the Instagram post. So you have all these prompts there. So I wrote this down as my system prompt for the agent that will draft the content. And you know, for our agent, we need um, a model. So I added my OpenAI chat model. You can use your Gemini model. I also added Tavily. We've used Tavily before. We know how to set up Tavily. Tavily's job is to research the topic that we type in there. Like again, this we did with the LinkedIn. So it's still the same thing. So we want the agent to be able to research the topic using Tavily. So let me run this agent. Let's execute the flow here so that it can come up with our content. And that content is what we will now use to come up with what? The prompt for the image. So the first job is write the content. So this agent has written the content, right? And we will now feed the content to these other AI agents that I changed the name to image agent. So it's similar to the previous one, but this one will write the prompt for generating the image. So the source for the prompt is also defined below, and then you drag the prompt, which is the output from the Instagram agent. You drag the output inside the prompt here. That is what we want the agent to use to come up with the image prompt, not the image itself. So this also you have it. I say you are an agent that converts Instagram posts into high quality graphic prompt description. So this agent, you had a model also to it. This one, when you execute it, it should come up with the prompt for generating the image. So it came up with this prompt, and it is this prompt that we will now feed in inside the Gemini generate an image node. So you had Gemini generate an image node. We've done how to connect your credentials before, and we are generating image model. You can use this one, you can use Nano Banana, and then the prompt will be what has been generated. You know, the prompt generated from the image agent. You drag that in here, and that's all. So if you execute this, it should come up with an image for us in binary form. So it will generate this. Look at it. We have the image. Up until this stage, we have done it before. Okay, we have done all this before. The remaining two nodes are what I am adding to this. And what's that? We can't just post the image directly from here to Instagram. We want to post the image to Cloudinary and then get it from Cloudinary to Instagram and then to be posted. So we are adding HTTP requests here. And this is how you populate the HTTP request. It's going to be a post. You're posting is a post method. And you will type this URL here, this URL on the screen, https colon // api.cloudinary.com /v1 underscore one slash this name here. I will show you where to get your own name. So this is the only thing you are changing here, /image /upload. Where will you get that? You go back to your Cloudinary. Inside your cloudinary.com, look at it here. This is mine. So you will get yours and come back to your n8n and put it here where I have mine here and complete that URL /image /upload. Then authentication, you can leave it as none. Then you add the body. The body content is going to be form data and the parameter is binary file and the name file and the input is data because this is what we are getting from generate an image from Gemini data. So you type the data here. It's not done. We also need a parameter type, which is going to be form data, and then name is upload preset. I will explain this. Upload underscore preset, and the value is IG post. Don't forget, we want to post to Cloudinary. So if you go back to your Cloudinary, you come to settings here, and you go to upload. You notice we created this um, preset yesterday. So we want to say post using this preset, but we need to change something here. Click on the three dots here and edit it and change the sign-in mode from signed to unassigned. That's what we need here. When you select unassigned, that's what we need to upload directly from the browser. We want to upload from our n8n into Cloudinary and save it. That's all you need to do here. Change it to unsigned and remember your name here, which is IG post. That IG post is what I typed here as the value for my upload underscore preset. So let's execute this step. It will generate the image and push it to Cloudinary and give us a URL. So this URL is what we need to post on Instagram. And the final node is the Instagram here. So if you open up the Instagram, we've done this before. You put your node here. I hope you still remember where to get your node. That is from the developer here. This is the node here. And then look at my Instagram here before I execute that. Look at the last post here, content compass, because we will see if we're going to have something else. So here, image URL, you drag this URL, you drag it there, and the caption will be what? From the post agent. Remember, that's where you have the content. The other agent is for the image. You drag that here and you execute the step. By executing this now, if we go back to our Instagram, we should see the post generated there. Okay, we should see the post there. It's still loading. Once it's done, you see it's done. So let me go back to Instagram here and refresh. We should have a new image there and then content there. Cool. You see, we said it should be about electric vehicle. See, decreased demand, growth and adoption, the rise of electric vehicle signals, a blah blah blah. So that's how you can do this using your n8n. So let's practice this out and we'll continue from there. See you tomorrow.